you might have seen in the intro, we're gonna be talking about the Samsung Gallery in this video. So yesterday, on the 23rd of June, Samsung released a new update for the Samsung Gallery. It is the update 12.1075. To be honest with you, they released an update a few days ago where they introduced a full screen scrolling feature, right? And also Drawer UI supported on tablet devices in DeX mode. And they added a tip card to guide users when downloading Samsung Cloud contents. The first option here, full screen scrolling, was also available a few days ago, but I said, okay, that's nothing very big, doesn't really worth making a video. But until today, because today they brought back a feature that was removed from the previous version, which a lot of users noticed and they were not happy about it. First thing first, let me just show you the full screen scrolling. So you can open your gallery. When you open your gallery and you start scrolling, this is what you're going to notice, that the top white bar always remains active. You see here the camera, you see how many images and videos you have. You have here the search option and of course the hamburger menu. So what is full screen scrolling, guys? You need to go back one step, click the hamburger menu, go into the settings, and viewing options gonna be the first thing to notice. Full screen scrolling. Let's enable that one, alright? Now go back in your gallery, start scrolling, and yeah. See, magic happens. My personal opinion, I really love this view because of the very nice screen, very big screen, very vivid colors. So this definitely gives better viewing options. But there was something else. Let me show you. Another change that Samsung introduced was on the film strip, and this change was not mentioned last time. So what happens right now when you are inside your gallery and you're viewing all your pictures and videos on the film strip, you go to a video and then you notice this behavior, right? The video starts to play automatically, you can click inside and there is going to be a seek bar, right? Let me show you something. So that's the iPhone, myself washing the kid's bike under heavy rain. Let me just show you guys. When I go to the video, I'm gonna get the same behavior. When I click inside the video, you see I'll have also a search bar. Okay, so you get the idea? Yes. Samsung was trying to copy Apple here, not bad, right? But people were not happy because the play button apparently somehow disappeared. In the previous version, Samsung removed the play button, so people were not really happy because there was not an option to play the video in the standard video player, right? But in this version, they brought back the control. Still, people don't like this video seek option. So what can you do, guys? The simple answer is you can remove it. Let me show you how. Go one step back here, go on the hamburger menu, go to the settings. We need to scroll down and enable the Samsung Galaxy Labs. And I made a whole video on that one, you can check it here. So how do we enable it? You go about gallery, right? You click several times on the version. Labs Gallery enabled. Go one step back, right? Scroll down and voila. Here it is, Labs, Gallery Labs. They say that this is only for internal testing and etc. But don't be afraid, click inside and you're gonna see something here. Film strip in viewer. And then there is these new options, guys. They were not present before. You have the video seek on film strip viewer, support video seek expansion on film strip in viewer. So if you don't like this, just toggle it off, okay? Now make sure to close the gallery, reopen the gallery. Let's navigate now to the video. We are one step before showing the video. Now let's go to the video. Boom. You have the play video. When you click the play video, the video player will get launched, and this is the default Samsung video player. That's what a lot of the folks wanted. You will not have this seek, progress seek bar, etc. To be honest with you guys, I'm gonna go back into the settings and I'm going to enable this video seek progress bar. Sometimes I do have longer videos with my kids and it's just nice to have this option. So honestly, I like this option, but if you are like a really big fan of the Samsung standard player and you only want to have this play video option, then this option is for you. Here I'm back into the Gallery Labs. I'm gonna re-enable it. By the way, you can just check, there are plenty of options. Options for One UI 3.0. If you have an older device using One UI 2.x, also options for you. You have options for the video viewer. You have options on the image viewer, like showing existing details and etc. and etc. There are really plenty of options. There are even more options for developers, which I don't really recommend you guys to switch in. But in the end of the day, guys, I'm gonna show you one last thing. So if you don't like the whole film strip whatsoever, click here. Right, just kill the gallery, We open the gallery, go inside your pictures. Yeah, very boring, very old school, but if that's your thing, guys, you know how to do it. I really hope that you like videos like this. If that's the case and you're here for the first time, or even not for the first time but watching my videos and you're not subscribed, please change that one. Don't forget also to click on this bell so you get notified every time I do upload a new video. With that said, guys, please you and your family stay safe, and until we meet on one of my next videos. VST over and